so sticky! Welcome to Happy Fun Time! Hi and welcome to Happy Fun Time, and we are going to do a mini unboxing for today's video. So we got here the Num Noms. It's a dipper, and this one is a series 1. So it says that it changes color. So let's unveil. Look at this. This is $549.75, but we got this for 300 pesos in Toy Kingdom. It's currently on sale. So let us open. Oops. The toy itself is already revealing. So let's open, and there are more toys here. And this one is the dippers, I think. Refrigerate first, dunk dippers for surprises. So let's put this in the refrigerator so we can reveal the surprise. We are putting that dipper on the refrigerator to freeze, to cool. Let's check out the guide from the Num Noms Stackable Dippers Series 1, Big Dippers. So they have rare and ultra rare here. There's a lot of variety that you can get from this item. I like this waffle. What about you guys? What do you like? Also, I like the fries. I like everything. So here is it. The classic dips, little dippers. So refrigerate scented secret sauce for 15 minutes. Dunk dippers for special surprises. Dig for a little dipper in the sauce. Oh, there is a dipper in the sauce. Whoa, let me get back to you. And let's finish the scented secret sauce in the refrigerator. I'll be back. Okay, we're back after 15 minutes, and we already placed that in the refrigerator. So let's open. Oops. Okay, before that, let's open this 2 baggie, and let us check what kind of snackables do we have. For the first one, we got this one, and what is this? So cute! What is this? Put that aside. And the other one, I hope I got a waffle. Please, waffle. Oh, we didn't get a waffle, but instead this one is a pretzel. We got a pretzel here. So let's open our dippers and let's check out. Oops, we did not open it well. Let's try it here. And open it again. Maybe we need to poke the scissors here. Yeah, maybe. Be careful. I don't know what's inside. Ooh, something is coming out. Look. So you better be careful. Oops. There you go, the dippers. It's very sticky. Ooh. Now, so we got this one, and the dipper we got is a sweet chocolate. And as for this one, we got the ketchup. And this one, the ketchup pot, ketchup tooth. There we go. So we are going to check out if there's any dipper inside. Additional dipper. Ooh. Dipper, where are you? This is not working, so I'm gonna... Oh yeah. Can you see the slime, guys? This one is slimy, but the dipper is here. This is glittery, guys. Look. And it's going to unveil our mini dipper. Oh, so sticky! There you go, we got this one. Let's check out our guide, what we got, and let's play this later. Let me check our guide. So we got here berry slice. It's a fruit, and look at this chocolate. It's so sticky and slimy. So there you have it, guys. If you like to buy this, you can visit Toy Kingdom. I think they still have a few more stocks of this for only 300. And you can play with the dipper afterwards. Look how slimy, stretchy this one is. See that? So you can definitely put this like that. So there you have it. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up if you like it. Hope you like it, and please do follow us in our YouTube account, subscribe, and follow us here on Facebook. So anyway, guys, stay happy with Happy Fun Time for Kids. Goodbye now. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.